So, how do you do all the things when you're homeschooling? You know the things: cook, clean, do the laundry, keep everybody happy and healthy. All right. So, okay, so first of all, you're gonna have to lower your expectations. I'm just gonna tell you, your house is not gonna be spotless. Your meals probably aren't gonna be the most nutritious all of the time. And there will be loads of laundry to do. Okay, so first of all, you're just gonna have to lower your expectations and pick your battles. All right, so what are your priorities? What are the things that you absolutely have to get done around the house so that you can function and you don't go crazy? Okay, those are the things that you do every single day. And then everything else can wait until you could do weekly, or you can even do like a deep clean once a month. Okay, so everyone is home and everyone is helping to contribute to making this mess. And so therefore, everyone is going to contribute in cleaning up the mess. Okay, so everyone gets chores in the house, even the littles. So the littles can wipe things down. There are so many things that even the little guys can do. So you teach your kids how to do the different chores that are important to you, and don't overload them. So give them one chore, maybe two chores, and they work at it for weeks until they get it right. Okay, and then once they get it right and they do it the way it needs to be done, then you give them another set of chores for them to work on. But y'all, everybody is home contributing to the mess, so therefore everyone should be helping clean up. And then finally, make sure you teach your kids how to cook. So not only is it a life skill, and your future daughter-in-law and son-in-law will absolutely love you for this, it makes your life so much easier, because if there's one place you spend an awful lot of time in, it's the kitchen. So I taught my kids early on how to make simple breakfast. And so I didn't really do breakfast all that much with my kids. They came to the table with their own breakfast. And also I taught them how to make some simple lunch items, and I assigned them different days of the week, and they were in charge of doing lunches instead of me. And so get everybody involved in the cooking and the cleaning, because you can't do it all, mamas, and they're helping make the mess, and they should be helping you clean up and cook. All right, have a great day.